This is instructions for the recent Johnson County Annexations web application. Annexations have been mapped back through 2006, with the exception of Gardner, who has mapped all of their annexations. Initially, we presented with a splash screen with some basic instructions. Once you're ready to bypass this, you can click OK. There are three main areas of the web application: filters, data, and the map. The map has two toolbars, one along the top and one on the bottom right. The first tool, the top toolbar, is search. You can input an address. It'll locate for you. The next tool is layers, where you can toggle on and off the layers of the map. Also in this tool is the legend. Next is base map, where you can change the base map using Ames generated base maps and Esri generated base maps. The remaining three tools on the top toolbar are measure, select, and unselect. The bottom right toolbar is home. Home will take you to the initial extent of the web map. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can also use the scroll wheel of your mouse and your fingers if you have a responsive device. Find My Location uses the GPS of your device to show your location as a blue dot. Reset Map Orientation realigns the map if you have a mobile device. Under Filters, there's three sections. The first is Current Year Ordinances. At the time of this recording, February 2024, there are no current year ordinances. Last year, in this case 2023, is a listing of all ordinances that were recorded in 2023. If you click one of these, it'll locate that annexation on the map. It'll show a label with additional information. If you click the map, it'll show you that information and one additional piece of information, a link to the recorded document. It requires a MyAmes login. MyAmes logins are restricted to Johnson County staff and MyAmes data partners. So if you have a MyAmes login, you can click View, log in. It'll download, and you can view the recorded document. On this pop-up, you can see two layers were selected, two features were selected, two different layers, one from Annexation All. Using these arrows, you can toggle between and see Annexation last year. Same ordinance, two different layers. The third section all work together to filter the Annexations All layer. You can do it by annexation ordinance, by city, and by tax year. So say I want to see all DeSoto's mapped annexations. You can see here, this list has been shortened to any tax year where we have a mapped DeSoto annexation. So if I click 2023, what this is doing is filtering the Annexations All record set for anything that was annexed into DeSoto in 2023. If I want to see all the annexations for tax year 2023, I click All. It changes the filter, and it shows you all the annexations for tax year 2023. The last section is data. Here are links to download the annexation data set in various formats. Also, a link to the Ames free data page, which has additional data sets on it. And finally, if you have any questions or need assistance, here's the Ames Mapper of the Day contact information.